Prime Minister Modi is chairing an important meeting of the COVID situation in the country. Cabinet Secretary Rajiv Gauba, Principal Secretary to the Prime Minister P.K. Mishra, Union Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan and Niti Aayog member Dr. V.K. Paul are all attending this meeting. This comes after the WHO declared a new coronavirus variant to be of concern, naming it Omicron. WHO has classified it as highly transmissible virus of concern, the same category that includes the predominant Delta variant, which is still a scourge, driving higher cases of illness and death in Europe and parts of the United States. Early evidence suggests that it carries an increased risk of reinfection compared with other highly transmissible variants. The B.1.1.529 is the latest in the family of variants, causing a spike in cases in South Africa. Concerns over the variant has triggered widespread travel bans, with the EU, US, Canada, Saudi Arabia restricting travel from South Africa. Saha, tracking that important story for us, is with us. For more on that, Palmi, not just the new variant, but in the context of the discovery of the new variant, the detection of the new variant by South Africa, India's vaccination drive, also possible question around boosters, vaccines for children, all of these aspects will be possibly touched upon by the Prime Minister in this key meeting, isn't it?
Well, absolutely. While this is, of course, a review meeting in which the Prime Minister has been taking periodically with the top officials in government, as well as the health apparatus and ministry within the government as well, in order to see the progress in the vaccination program in terms of the spread of the virus and, getting in reports from various districts, various states. Of course, the latest information that is coming from the World Health Organization declaring Omicron as a variant of concern, that is going to, in fact, be one of the important subjects which is touched upon in this meeting, which is currently underway at via video conference. In fact, the Prime Minister is connecting with all of the officials, and they are going to discuss all of these little details as well. Remember that there's obviously a lot of concern around this new variant which has been detected, and like you did point out, there are countries which are taking measures in terms of border travel restrictions in order to ensure that travelers who are coming in from the countries where the variant was first detected. Of course,
just be with us to tell our viewers, these are visuals on your screen live right now of the Prime Minister's meeting that is taking place. As you can see, it's an online meeting, it's a virtual meeting which is happening, in which the Prime Minister is going to be discussing all of these issues that Paulimi just touched upon, right from the new variant to the vaccination drive in the country. Of course, boosters, questions are being raised on whether this is not the time to give out boosters to those people who are immunocompromised. Going back to Paulimi, for more on that, Paulimi, you were in fact mentioning that several countries have started to take measures like, for example, ensuring some restrictions from countries where this new variant have been reported from, isn't it?
That's right. Countries are taking measures. In fact, just before the Prime Minister convened this meeting, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal tweeted, and he said that, we should be restricting flights coming in from countries where this variant has been found, because India has taken a while in order to get a grip over the situation. We did face a very harrowing time earlier this year when the second wave hit us very, very hard, especially in certain states. Delhi was one of the hardest hit, and hence the Chief Minister making an appeal that we should try and restrict flights that are coming in from countries where this variant has been in fact detected and travelers have been found to have been infected with this particular variant. So clearly there is a lot of apprehension, there's a lot of anxiety, and all of this is going to come up for discussion as the Prime Minister engages in this conversation with the health experts of the country and the top officials in the Government of India.
Paulimi, thanks for getting us those details.